Traffic on the Brent Spence Bridge finally moving along after a morning wreck shut down the southbound lanes for hours, frustrating drivers for much of the day today. 9 on your side reporter Natasha Williams live at DeVue Park overlooking that bridge. Natasha.
Well, Clyde, beer is partially to blame for the closures and backups of the southbound lanes of the Brent Spence Bridge. Now, the cleanup efforts took about 10 hours, and that included the morning rush hour commute. It was right around 4 o'clock this morning when police say a semi and 2 vehicles were involved in a wreck. The semi overturned, spilling a load of beer bottles onto the southbound lanes of I-71 and 75. Covington police say the truck was carrying tens of thousands of gallons of Bud Light. The shattered glass and beer forced police to shut down all southbound lanes, leaving what looked like a parking lot on the bridge. Frustrated morning drivers had to find a detour to get over the river. For hours, road crews struggled to maneuver the semi upright as they tried to get it out in one piece. It was just after noon when the truck was pulled upright, but drivers still had to wait a few more hours until the lanes were reopened at 2 this afternoon. Now, the driver of that semi was not seriously hurt, although he did go to the hospital when he reported he was having some back problems. Now, the 2 other drivers involved were not injured. Reporting live from Covington, Natasha Williams, 9 on your side.
Thank you, Natasha.